I'm basically showing how to install the power window switch on 2008 Mercedes B200. It works from model years 2006 to 2011. Basically, this is going to be just a rough and dirty video, just showing the basics. Not even that, just the important points. So anyways, the power window switch has a couple of tabs here and here, and it basically clips on. But to remove, you have to remember the little Torx screw here. That's very important. So to basically remove it, you can try removing just the access panel that just unclips. You'll see that later, hopefully. And you can try to use a ratchet or something to remove that screw, but it'll be quite tough. So I had to basically remove the door panel out to remove the screw. So to put back, you basically clip it in, put the Torx screw back, and then you're ready to install the door panel. Now the door panel is already removed, so some of the steps are ready. Okay, we're getting ready to put the door panel on. Sorry for not showing you the removal, but I didn't know what I was doing and I still don't know, so no big deal. But anyways, it's the reverse to put everything back. So basically, if you have the light here, you want to clip it back on, twist clockwise. Okay, that's one. The other one is basically the power window switch connection, which just clips in there. And it's going to get a little bit tight, but the tricky portion here is to hook the door release back on. You got the door release here, don't forget. And this, I'll get my cameraman to show a close-up because this is tricky. It goes right here. So basically, you'll want to get the door panel nice and close. Put this in. Doing it slightly different from the other way I tried before. And there we go. Okay. That's how we got that. Now the light is plugged in. Now I have to get this really close, and basically you have to let your fingers do the seeing because the wire is really short. But actually, maybe we can make our life a little bit easier here. Does this unclip? Maybe yes, maybe no. We never know what the Mercedes engineers were doing or thinking. In this case, they did a very good job because that unclips over there. There it is. Just trying to orient the plug to face the correct way. Okay, that clipped in. Okay, so that's still clipped in. Now we basically lift and clip that back. Okay. That slides down. Okay. Now we just push the clips back on. They just push in. Use just enough force, not too much. Okay. Now this is obviously the reverse of the removal. This is a clip that goes over here that I managed to break because I didn't know how it worked. So back to the dealer I go to buy a part, to buy another clip. I was yanking on it, not knowing that to remove it, you need to use your pliers or something to push in on this. You push in on that and then you pull the clip out. If you just yank on the clip without pulling this out, remember that this part clips in there once you install the clip, which I won't do because this clip is broken. I don't want it in there. But to remove it, you want basically to apply pressure over here, which is easier said than done. Maybe with a screwdriver, apply pressure, and then pull it. So anyways, that's something I'll have to do later. Okay, 2 more things left to do. This part to remove slides up. To reinstall, slide down onto these clips here. That's a little bit loose, so that was probably messed with already. But anyways, watch the little wire here. Just gotta go by feel. Okay. Okay. It clips in just like that. The top caught, so did the bottom. Just slides down against it. Just want to make sure if that gap's supposed to be there or not. But I guess it's supposed to. It's a tiny gap. That's a show me. That's a tiny gap there. But that's fine because it doesn't go any more down. Now we have to put these 2 Torx screws back. Right there. 1, 2. T30 bit. Hand tighten to make sure you're not messing up the threads. Just tight, don't over tighten. That's it. It's good to use a small ratchet or even a screwdriver handle so that it's harder to over tighten. So now we put this part back. This hooks in the bottom. The 3 clips clip on. Hook on the bottom. Careful not to break any tabs. Gentle. 1, 2, 3. All done. Cut. Now just add the panel back. So if you're able to take that screw out that we were talking about, then this would be the easy way. In my case, it was virtually impossible, so I decided to take the door panel out. So this 4 simple clips. That's it. Okay, basically I have to remove the assembly and reinstall a new one because the buttons, the tabs broke. Here I tried to glue it, but it didn't work so well. These little tabs, they break, or sometimes these little clips break. Here's a good one, there's a broken one. So basically the buttons were coming off. You can't buy, as of today anyways, you can't buy the buttons by themselves, so you have to replace the assembly. You'll see there are 3 places here where there could be screws, but on this application it's just 1 screw over here. And basically 2 clips hold it on, 2 tabs.